The death toll is climbing in the Philippines as the country struggles to cope with its worst flooding in more than 40 years. A powerful tropical storm has dumped more than a month's worth of rain in just 12 hours, killing at least 240 people so far. More than 24 of them were buried alive in a massive landslide.
Ano pong pangalan niyo po?
Ako po si Nuknuk.
Gaano katagal na po kayong nag-iingisda?
Nasa loob na ng 20 years po yung
Araw-araw may high tide.
araw-araw.